मेरे पास है आपके लिए एक छोटी सी भेंट।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
ये है कुछ मेरी फेवरेट चीजें।
क्या बात है।
थैंक यू
वेरी मच।
Thank you so much, Chaya ji, for coming here and showing us a wonderful dish.
थैंक यू सो मच पल्लवी।
Thank you, Pallavi. It was really nice meeting you, talking to you.
अब मैं भी एक प्यारी सी मेमोरी क्रिएट करूंगी आप लोग के साथ। एक पिक्चर। मेरा एक फ्रेंड जो कि फ्रांस से था, जॉन बैटिस्ट, वो इंडिया रहने के लिए आया 1 साल के लिए। एंड पहले तो ही वाज लाइक, ओह वाओ, इंडियन करी एंड ऑल, बट बीच में he started missing his mom's scones, and I had to make those scones for him just to make him go to work every day. And today I'm going to bake those same scones. So let's start. पहले हम अपना डो बनाएंगे। The most crumbly dough, मैदा, 500 ग्राम मैदा और 100 ग्राम बटर, सॉफ्ट बटर, just around 2 tablespoon caster sugar, और हम इसे हाथ से क्रम्ब कर लेंगे। We are looking for the bread crumb consistency dough. इस डो को हम ओवरवर्क नहीं कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज अगर हम इसको अच्छे से नीड करेंगे तो डो की कंसिस्टेंसी बहुत हार्ड हो जाएगी और स्कोन्स इंस्टेड ऑफ बीइंग सॉफ्ट एंड क्रम्बली बहुत हार्ड बनेंगे। Can you see this bread crumb consistency of the flour right now? We exactly need this, or I'm going to wash my hands. Now we will prepare our liquid ingredients. I'll break 2 eggs. And now we'll add milk. और अब हम इसे विस्क कर लेंगे। अब अच्छे से एग और मिल्क विस्क हो गए। अब हम अपना डो तैयार कर लेंगे। One thing that is very important while making scones dough is, first thing is obviously we don't overwork it, like बहुत अच्छे से उसको सानना नहीं है। और दूसरी बात है कि बटर जो है वो एकदम perfectly soft होना चाहिए। We just need to slowly bring everything together. And now we'll just spread it on board. और अब हम scones बनाएंगे कुकी कटर की हेल्प से। Beautiful, cute, small scones. And my scones are ready to go inside the oven. I have already arranged my scones in my baking tray. Now we'll just brush them with a little bit of milk and egg. And this actually helps to make the crust more crispy. And one more thing, we'll just dip it in caster sugar to make them go more crunchy and sweet. So they're absolutely ready to go into a preheated oven, which I preheated at 180 degrees. And this will take around 15 to 20 minutes to get nicely golden brown. So while our scones are getting nicely done in the oven, let's make a quick compote. I'm gonna heat the pan. और अब इसमें ऐड करेंगे blueberries. If you don't like blueberries, no problem. Make it with raspberries or any other berries you like. और अब हम ऐड करेंगे sugar, water, और just धीमी आंच पे इसको simmer करेंगे. To check more such interesting recipes, keep checking our social media handles and visit our website livingfoods.com. And now we'll add some lime juice to it. Ooh, look at the color, it's becoming more and more darker and richer. So, mera blueberry compote is absolutely ready. Let's check on our scones. So my scones are now completely cooled, and now to serve, I have my favorite mixed fruit jam and some clotted cream. So guys, what are you waiting for? Bake these scones this weekend and enjoy a calm, relaxed morning.